was time for a company to step up and be more in tune with the customer, not just a number.
There's a lot of customization goes along with it. Not everything's easy bolt-on cookie cutter, and even what it is, sometimes we'll do better things to perfect it. You know, our wiring connections and stuff like that, we go above and beyond. You know, we try to put our touch on everything and make it gonna last for the customer. We've got 16 acres, room to grow, 25,000 square foot of buildings. Doing a little rehab to them, fixing them up a little bit, and it gives us room to grow.
One of the very few companies who do both new and used. We will retrofit the customer's used truck and put new equipment on there. We'll take trades in. We'll take a guy's used plow and take it in a trade and sell him a new Boss plow or a new Snow Dog plow.
We try to treat everybody real good, and they get to be good friends with them, you know, over time. And we deliver to them, pick up from them, talking to them on a daily basis sometimes, so you get to know the people real well.
Try to take care of the big guy, the little guy. We try to take care of everybody that calls us with any kind of needs. I guess it doesn't matter how big you are, how small you are, we're always going to try to be fair with you and, you know, take care of what you have going on.
I try to create relationships with customers, and not so much just trying to hammer a product down their throat, but serve their needs.
At STE, we offer a wide variety of truck equipment, including flatbeds, dump bodies, utility bodies, lift gates, snow plows, snow and ice equipment, service cranes, also truck mounted air compressors, and a large variety of truck accessories.
All about quality, and quality is not just in the parts that we use, but it's the companies that back us up and support us.